Let's talk about brand positioning. It's not just corporate jargon, it's the North Star of your marketing. Brand positioning is the story you tell the world, who you are, what you stand for, and why anyone should care. It's why a customer picks you over the competition. Without it, your marketing is just noise. Think of your brand as a person in a crowded room. Without a clear personality, you blend in. Brand positioning defines what kind of person your brand is. It guides every decision, from your website colors to your customer service tone. When your team knows your brand's identity, everything clicks. Copy, design, partnerships. Strong positioning creates consistency, trust, and a real connection with your audience. Nail this, and your marketing becomes a conversation, not a sales pitch. How do you define your brand's personality? Start with your audience and your competitors. Know your audience deeply, not just their age, but their needs, dreams, and pain points. Your brand's position should directly answer what your audience wants. For example, if you sell rubber chickens to comedians, your brand is witty and irreverent. If you target luxury pet owners, your brand is elegant and exclusive. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Next, study your competitors, not to copy, but to find your unique space. If everyone else is cheap, maybe you're the most durable or the most fun. This clarity prevents you from becoming a copycat. Define who you are in relation to your audience and the competition. This gives customers a reason to choose you and remember you. Stand out, and people don't just buy, they believe. That's how you build a brand people love. You've found your brand soul. Now, where do you share it? Email marketing. Email isn't outdated. It's a direct line to people who want to hear from you. Unlike social media, you own your list and control your message. Email is the perfect stage for brand storytelling. Go beyond short posts. Share your origin story, your team, your vision. The inbox is personal. Your brand becomes part of your audience's daily routine. This is your chance to build real relationships. A strong brand position ensures every email feels familiar and valued. If you're the expert, share tips. If you're quirky, be funny. Each email is a chapter in your brand story. Done right, subscribers look forward to your emails. That's the power of email as your brand's megaphone. Most marketing emails are forgettable, but your brand voice can change that. A distinctive, consistent voice makes you stand out and feel human. Personalization is more than a name. It's about speaking in a tone that resonates. Your brand voice should match your positioning. Luxury brands sound refined. Budget brands are practical. Consistency is key. A confused voice confuses customers. A clear voice boosts open rates, clicks, and conversions. For every dollar spent on email, the ROI is huge. Driven by engagement. To find your voice, list 3 adjectives that describe your brand and use them as your guide. Read your copy aloud. Does it sound like you? Invest in your voice and you'll turn subscribers into loyal fans. Want to see brand voice in action? Look at Apple, Dollar Shave Club, and Nike. Apple's emails are minimalist and confident, just like their brand. Dollar Shave Club is witty and irreverent. Their emails feel like a conversation with a clever friend. Nike's voice is empowering and urgent, always pushing you to just do it. Each brand's emails perfectly match their core positioning. The secret? Consistency. You'll never get a confusing email from these brands. Their voice is always authentically theirs. This alignment builds trust and drives action. Whether your voice is minimalist, funny or motivational, own it. Consistency is what makes your brand memorable. That's how you create a powerful brand experience. A great brand voice is just the start. Combine it with personalization and segmentation for real impact. Your voice is how you talk. Segmentation and personalization are what you say and to whom. Don't send the same email to everyone. Segment your list. Personalization goes beyond names. Use data to send relevant content. Netflix recommends shows based on your viewing history. That's true personalization. Personalized emails deliver much higher transaction rates. ASOS segments by gender, browsing, and purchase history, sending targeted content that boosts engagement. Start simple. Segment new, loyal, and inactive subscribers. Tailor your message for each group using your brand voice. This combo of voice and relevance is the secret sauce. Show subscribers you're listening, not just talking. You've defined your brand, crafted your voice, and personalized your emails. Now, measure what matters. Don't just track open rates. Focus on click-throughs and conversions. High engagement means your brand voice is working. Watch unsubscribe rates. If they're high, your content may be off. Metrics are your feedback loop. Adjust based on what resonates. Consistency matters everywhere, not just in marketing. Make sure every team member knows your brand voice. Create a simple style guide for everyone. Looking ahead, AI will make hyper-personalization easier than ever. Imagine AI writing emails in your brand voice, tailored to each subscriber. The tools will change, but the foundation stays the same. Authentic brand positioning builds lasting relationships. That's how you win the inbox, one email at a time.